Question 8. Which is the largest state of India by area? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer C. Rajasthan. Question: to which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Kosi. B. Ganga. C. Son. D. Gandak. Answer Kosi. Question 3. Which is the highest peak in India? A. Kanchenjunga. B. Nanda Devi. C. Mount Everest. D. Kamet. Answer Kanchenjunga. Question 4. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Answer 8. Question 5. Which is the smallest state in India by area? A. Goa. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Nagaland. Answer Goa. Question 6. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? A. Tibetan Plateau. B. Chota Nagpur Plateau. C. Deccan Plateau. D. Malwa Plateau. Answer Tibetan Plateau. Question 7. Which state is the largest producer of tea in India? A. Assam. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer Assam. Question 8. Which is the longest river in India? A. Ganga. B. Godavari. C. Yamuna. D. Brahmaputra. Answer Ganga. Question 9. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Chilika Lake. B. Vembanad Lake. C. Buller Lake. D. Dal Lake. Answer Buller Lake. Question 10. Which city is known as the Pink City? A. Jaipur. B. Jodhpur. C. Udaipur. D. Bikaner. Answer Jaipur. Question 11. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer Gujarat. Question 12. Which desert is located in India? A. Gobi Desert. B. Thar Desert. C. Sahara Desert. D. Patagonian Desert. Answer Thar Desert. Question 13. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in which ocean? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer Indian Ocean. Question 14. Which river originates from Amarkantak Plateau? A. Narmada. B. Godavari. C. Krishna. D. Mahandi. Answer Narmada. Question 15. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Assam. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer Kerala. Question 16. Which Indian state shares the maximum border with neighboring countries? A. Jammu Kashmir. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bihar. D. West Bengal. Answer West Bengal. Question 17. Which mountain pass connects Srinagar to Leh? A. Jojila. B. Nathula. C. Rohtang Pass. D. Shipkila. Answer Jojila. Question 18. Which river is also known as Dakshina Ganga? A. Kaveri. B. Krishna. C. Godavari. D. Mahandi. Answer Godavari. Question 19. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Odisha. Answer Madhya Pradesh. Question 20. Which city is known as the City of Lakes? A. Udaipur. B. Bhopal. C. Nainital. D. Srinagar. Answer Udaipur. Question 21. Which Indian state is famous for the Sundarbans mangroves? A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Assam. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer West Bengal. Question 22. Which hill station is known as the Queen of Hills? A. Mussoorie. B. Darjeeling. C. Shimla. D. Ooty. Answer Mussoorie. Question 23. Which river forms the Dhuandhar Falls? A. Ganga. B. Narmada. C. Godavari. D. Tapti. Answer Narmada. Question 24. The Silent Valley National Park is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer Kerala. Question 25. Which mountain range is the oldest in India? A. Himalayas. B. Vindhyas. C. Aravali. D. Satpura. Answer Aravali. Question 26. Which river flows through the Kaziranga National Park? A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Manas. D. Teesta. Answer Brahmaputra. Question 27. Which pass connects Manali to Leh? A. Rohtang Pass. B. Jojila. C. Baralachala. D. Nathula. Answer Rohtang Pass. Question 28. Which lake is located in Odisha? A. Dal Lake. B. Chilika Lake. C. Loktak Lake. D. Pulikat Lake. Answer Chilika Lake. Question 29. Which river is called the lifeline of Kerala? A. Periyar. B. Bharthapuzha. C. Pamba. D. Chaliyar. Answer Periyar. Question 30. Which state is known for the Lonar Lake, a meteorite crater? A. Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Answer Maharashtra. Question 31. Which glacier is the source of the Ganga River? A. Gangotri Glacier. B. Siachen Glacier. C. Pindari Glacier. D. Zemu Glacier. Answer Gangotri Glacier. Question 32. Which state is the leading producer of coffee in India? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer Karnataka. Question 33. Which is the largest delta in the world? A. Okavango Delta. B. Sundarbans Delta. C. Niger Delta. D. Ganges Brahmaputra Delta. Answer Ganges Brahmaputra Delta. Question 34. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? A. Kerala. B. Goa. C. Mizoram. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer Kerala. Question 35. Which national park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros? A. Kaziranga. B. Gir. C. Corbett. D. Manas. Answer Kaziranga. Question 36. Which river flows through the city of Lucknow? A. Yamuna. B. Gomti. C. Ganga. D. Ghaghra. Answer Gomti. Question 37. Which Indian city is known as the Manchester of India? A. Mumbai. B. Ahmedabad. C. Surat. D. Ludhiana. Answer Ahmedabad. Question 38. Which is the highest dam in India? A. Tehri Dam. B. Bhakra Nangal Dam. C. Sardar Sarovar Dam. D. Hirakud Dam. Answer Tehri Dam. Question 39. Which river is the main source of water for Rajasthan? A. Chambal. B. Luni. C. Mahi. D. Sabarmati. Answer Chambal. Question 40. Which Indian state is famous for backwaters? A. Kerala. B. Goa. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer Kerala. Question 41. Which city is known as the City of Joy? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Chennai. D. Delhi. Answer Kolkata. Question 42. Which is the southernmost point of India? A. Indira Point. B. Kanyakumari. C. Point Calimere. D. Minikoy. Answer Indira Point. Question 43. Which mountain range separates Kashmir from Ladakh? A. Pir Panjal. B. Ziskar. C. Himalayas. D. Shivalik. Answer Zanskar. Question 44. Which is the largest island in India? A. Majuli. B. Great Nicobar. C. Rameswaram. D. Elephanta. Answer Great Nicobar. Question 45. Which state is the largest producer of wheat in India? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer Uttar Pradesh. Question 46. Which is the deepest river valley in India? A. Spiti Valley. B. Bhagirathi Valley. C. Brahmaputra Valley. D. Satluj Valley. Answer Spiti Valley. Question 47. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Answer Punjab. Question 48. Which state is famous for the Valley of Flowers? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Jammu Kashmir. Answer Uttarakhand. Question 49. Which is the only floating national park in the world? A. Kebul Lamjao. B. Kaziranga. C. Bhitarknika. D. Sundarbans. Answer Kebul Lamjao. Question 50. Which is the only floating national park in the world? A. Kebul Lamjao. B. Kaziranga. C. Bhitarknika. D. Sundarbans. Answer Kebul Lamjao.